10 fruits rich in calcium. 1. Oranges and tangerines. Loaded with 43 milligrams of the recommended 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily intake for the average person, oranges and tangerines also contain a powerful amount of vitamin C, and that makes them an excellent choice. 2. Dried apricots. As if their delicious taste wasn't enough, dried apricots contain 5 milligrams of calcium in a 100-gram serving. A perfect choice for everyone, but especially hikers, bikers, and campers. 3. Kiwi. This tropical fruit looks rejuvenating because it is. Kiwi provides 34 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams serving. To put that into perspective, a single cup contains 60 milligrams. 4. Dates. Dates are a tasty treat, and each date contains around 15 milligrams of calcium. 5. Dried figs. Dried figs may be the best fruit source of calcium there is. At 241 milligrams of calcium per cup and 13 milligrams per each individual fig, on average, a small serving of dried figs can go a long way in achieving the goal of adequate calcium intake. 6. Rhubarb. A New York court decided in 1947 that rhubarb, then labeled a vegetable, could be considered a fruit. Despite the identity crisis, what's solid is rhubarb as a calcium source, containing 348 milligrams of calcium in a single cup. 7. Prickly pears. An exotic treat, prickly pears, also known as red tunas, contain 58 milligrams of calcium per each pear. 8. Prunes. In addition to aiding the colon, prunes can offer up 75 milligrams of calcium in a single cup. 9. Mulberries. Mulberries are not sold in many grocery stores and can be hard to find. It's a shame too. They contain up to 55 milligrams calcium in 1 cup. If you can find them, try them. They're great. 10. Kumquats. Kumquats have a rich flavor, are high in vitamins A and C, and contain up to 12 milligrams of calcium. These little power pellets can be a great boost. Getting enough calcium is essential. Increasing your fruit and vegetable intake positively impacts your bone health by providing the essential micronutrients and antioxidants that promote healthy bone formation and good health. Develop a habit of enjoying the fruits on this list, organic when possible. Not only will you experience not only the benefits of calcium, but the other health perks that accompany a diet rich in fresh fruits as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.